Stock option trading. One call option that more than doubles in 6 days. That could have potential to go up more. So I want to give it to you. Welcome to World Traveling Stock Investor and Option Trader channel. Where are you watching from? Comment down below. S&P 500 was down 0.24% today. The past 5 days is negative 0.89%. Nasdaq down the same 0.67. The past 5 days 2.2%. So pullback is definitely happening. Dow Jones 0.04% positive, just very minimal gain. The past 5 days 0.11%. So what could be causing this? It's because there is a FOMC minutes coming out this week. So the stock market is nervous as usual. In case Jerome Powell doesn't want to decrease the interest rate, or if it doesn't happen in September, what's going to happen, right? So lots of institution investor and billionaires, they may pull out money from tech companies stock, and they may rotate it into healthcare, other beaten down stock. So that's what happens right here. Remember, from late August to September, October, that could be a weak month for stock market. That's usually the case, and so that could be one of the reasons for the pullback. But this call option is up 152% in 6 trading days. Now 13.6. And when I traded this call options and I sent out the alert, that time that was only 5.4. So that was on August 11. So on August 19, so it jumped over 152% after any support, right? Today is still keep going up. Stock market was down today, doesn't matter. Nasdaq was down, doesn't matter. Yeah, this is a tech company. Palo Alto is a cybersecurity tech company. It's up 1.5%. The past 5 days, it's up 4.19%. So why did it go up? First of all, it's a great company, and they reported earnings really good. Their guidance, they also raised their guidance as well. So you could trade call option with many stock, lots of the stock. They could be bad stock, right? But I usually trade only call options on great companies. This is very important. Listen very carefully. Why do I trade call option on only great companies? Let's say you have two men. One man is a bad man, right? One man is a good man. The bad man offer you to marry you for life. The good man, I'm not sure yet. Let's see how it goes today. Then we will continue tomorrow. If you choose the bad man to be married for the rest of your life, you are making the wrong decision. If you choose a good man, so what is the definition of good man, a great man? Anybody who becomes friends with him, or his parents, his siblings, brother, sister, their life gets better. His life gets better, and he wants to improve the lives of people around him. So if you are his girlfriend, it could be for a night, for a week, for a month, right? Let's say you are his girlfriend for a day. He show you some of his businesses, education. He makes your life better. He makes you happy. He's not gonna give you trouble, right? So, hey, staying with him for 1 day is better than staying with a bad man for 1 month. Staying with a great man for 1 week is better than staying with a bad man for 1 year, right? Because the benefit you get from being with a great man is much better than the side effects of being with the bad man. So similarly, that's why I only trade great companies, because the probability of them going up is much higher. and they are more predictable because their revenue is predictable coming, their net income is predictable, cash flow is predictable, their performance is considered good, great, predictable. A bad company is not predictable. They could be go up and down. Mostly they're gonna go down. So that's why I never trade bad company. I usually don't trade them. Okay, of course there could be some exception, but I usually don't. And this is a very important lesson for you. Okay, and this Palo Alto, you could take it on 180 strike price, call option September 26. This had the potential to go up more because they just reported good earnings and they also raised their guidance as well. So the founder is retiring. Okay, and this result came after Palo Alto announced plans to acquire cyber security company. Okay, so after they announced it, it dropped, but it's okay. Meta, they also announced the plans to buy Instagram. They overpay, and lots of people say it's overpay. Now look at it, Instagram is a very good revenue generator for Meta. So they reported EPS 95 cents versus 88 cents. Better than expected. Revenue 2.54 billion versus 2.5 billion. Better than expected. That's really good. Better than expected. Look at it. And revenue in physical fourth quarter rose 16% from about 2.2 billion. Their net income fell about 254 million to 36 cents per share from 358 to 21 cents per share a year ago. But it doesn't matter, right? They raised the guidance, which is good. So the stock market ignored this fact. Guidance, they raised it 88 cents to 90 cents compared to 85 cents estimate. Revenue 10.48 billion to 10.53 billion. Adjusted earnings of 3.75 to 3.85 per share. Both estimate exceeded Wall Street projection. Really good. The backlog is also good. The 15.4 billion to 15.5 billion, surpassing 15.07 billion estimate. Look at this. Yep. So if they could synergize, the deal merger, they take over, this could be a very great deal. Cyber is also a great company. So this is good. So they are buying customer, they are buying cyber expertise, they are basically expanding the business. At the same time, they are eliminating a competitor, which is good. So that I'm excited about this company. Do you own any of Palo Alto? Comment down below. I used to own it, I sold it. I'm looking to get back in, but I use call option in the meantime to benefit. I also use advanced option by selling put options. I also benefited that as well. So there are three ways that basically you can benefit: buy the stock, or trade call options or put options, or use advanced option by selling put options or using bull call spread, like if you believe it's gonna go up. So if you want to learn more, go to Master Risk Stock Option Crypto, go to playlist, check out my videos for stock investing, call option, put options, advanced option, and other investment education. If you want to reach out to me, or if you want to open an account, the link gonna be in the YouTube description comment down below. Share, subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Bye.